Everybody remember me? Okay, anyways. My mom just made the best Mexican chip steak. You guys want to... It's delicious. I'm going to eat some. Hold on. Excuse me. Steak. Steak is so good. So good. Restore. Oh my goodness. It's 5. It's 85 now. 5. And just a reminder for all the Michael Jackson fans out there, his movie comes out. Well, his movie already started, but it's awesome. You guys should go see it. We're gonna go see it, but if you go on his Michael Jackson fan club site, you can see it, and it's like a really awesome movie. I mean, you guys should really go see it. It's so awesome. Anyways, that's all I have to say now. Bye. Well, that's because I didn't do it right. Okay. Yeah.